What happens when a beloved character bows out unexpectedly from a long-running soap opera. This is precisely the dilemma facing the producers of Coronation Street, as changes to the cast impact ongoing narratives in surprising ways. And they took in movie play.
Viewers have followed the Platt family's journey for decades, especially the character of Martin Platt, portrayed by Sean Wilson. His portrayal struck a chord with the audience, making his recent exit feel like a poignant farewell. Just when fans thought they would see Martin again, a sudden twist forced the show's writers to rethink the plot.
The challenge emerged swiftly when it was revealed that Sean was stepping back. Instead of continuing to explore his character's relationship with Gail, played by Helen Worth, the focus shifted to the return of John Thompson as Jesse Chadwick, a character previously known for his misadventures on the cobbles. The timing couldn't have been more chaotic. With Helen planning her retirement, the show's producers had to act quickly to write John back into the storyline as potential suitor for Gail. This change hints at brewing tension, especially since Jesse had previously been romantically involved with Eileen Grimshaw, creating a complicated love triangle that fans might enjoy watching unfold. Using Neighbor's Cage, and the chaotic whirlwind of soap opera production, quick decisions often have to be made. Enthusiastic discussions flowed about new directions and romantic arcs. Still, the heart of the life matter away with Gail, who has endured more loss than most, having lost 5 husbands. This background added serious stakes to the romantic plotline. If you're enjoying our coverage of Coronation Street, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support helps us bring you more engaging content. The unpredictability of the industry means change is inevitable. Even John, who once shied away from returning to the role, found himself drawn back in by the familiar connections by Saturday and nostalgia tied to the character. The film tee off, and ultimately the cast and crew faced the challenge with creativity, navigating unforeseen changes, and crafting a fresh storyline amidst the upheaval. Fans can expect to see emotional developments, sense that John and Helen's characters have connections that could lead to more drama. Amidst all the serious twists and turns, one can't help but joke. Why did the actor break up with the soap script? Because the plot was too twisted. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.